good day mga tol. Nandito tayo ulit ngayon sa isa pang short episode about decorative concretation, the beauty of concrete. At this time naman, pumunta tayo sa isang project. Hindi ko to project, no? Pero para lang may pakita natin ano pa yung mga common problem sa decorative concrete or in concrete in general. Ano ba yun? Crack. Yan ang palaging problema natin. And bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng crack? And meron tayong kaunting paraan paano maiiwasan ito, no? At this point, dito sa area na to, marami tayong klaseng crack na nakikita at ipapakita natin kung bakit ito nangyayari. For example, this control joint crack, no? Nakita niyo may crack that went through from one end to one end. Okay, although meron tayong control joints na nilagay dito, bakit ito to nag-appear pa rin, no? Usually, it happens when you cut the joints a lot later, no? Usually, we have to do the control joints within 24 to 48 hours and at the proper depth of at least 1/3 of the concrete slab. Yan. So, hindi enough na meron kang control joint. You have to do the right timing at saka right depth. Okay ba yun? Ito naman, ito pa yung pangalawang crack natin. You see this crack? Bakit lumalabas yan? If you will look closely, merong naka-protrude na pipe and it's almost at the surface of the concrete. So make sure, pag may mga utility lines kayo, it's properly embedded, okay, fixed, not moving, before you put the slab on top of that na yan. Dito naman, kung makikita natin dito, meron tayong tinatawag na mga shrinkage crack or crease crack, yung para mga web crack na nag-appear all over the concrete. And bakit ba ito nangyayari? Usually naman, it happens when there is no proper curing of concrete. Medyo maingay lang, ongoing pa yung repair sa taas, no? But it happens when there's no proper curing. You need to water the concrete to make sure there's enough hydration sa concrete. At number 2, you need to make sure proper yung concrete mix design. If the concrete is too watery, you don't follow the right concrete mix, this concrete tracing will occur. Yan. And lastly, siguro dito, you will look, these are two separate slabs being poured together and there's tension, there's stress between the two slabs, no? Nagbubog yan, pero kung makikita mo, yung buong line na yan, wala kang makikitang
isolation joint.
So there's no room for the concrete to move, creating this crack. Yan. So again, isang short episode lang yan para maiwasan ang crack sa concrete. You need to really ensure you have the proper control joint, proper isolation joint, proper expansion joint. Okay, so till next time for our next episode.